I've actually filleted the ray wing in order to get rid of any cartilage. So it's a perfect dish to eat if anyone's phobic about using or eating any other piece of the flesh. I have put some blanched samphire in the middle of that ray wing. I folded it up and then I've draped some prosciutto, it can be pancetta, over the top of the ray wing. I'm going to pop that onto a lightly oiled baking sheet which has been seasoned with salt and pepper, and then roast that in the oven for, again, 10 to 12 minutes until the fillet has lost its translucency and gone white. Wow, look at this. That is, in my family, that would go down so well because I wouldn't be having to faff about with bones or cartilage in this case. It's just very simple cooking. And then to serve with that today, that's going to go onto a bed of wilted spinach, a little bit of samphire on the top to garnish, and then we had a bit of a butter sauce that Max has made using fish reduction. Take it down to 2 or 3 tablespoons and then monte au beurre or whisk in a little bit of butter to give you a lovely creamy sauce and pour that over the top.